Hi and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. Again, we're continuing off of the hand. We're going to do the foot now, and yeah, let's see where this goes. So, in the little upper left corner over here, you can see our model and kind of like the overall top view, side view, and like side back view of the foot. So, hopefully, with this, it's enough to like put it together. So yeah. Let's get started. So we're gonna go with the left view here, and then we are gonna add a cylinder. Like that, and go up like this. Okay, validate, go to the left. And then we are going to do another one. Oh, actually, another sphere. Duplicate this. And then just decrease it here. Bring it down right about here. And then we're going to do another cylinder. We're just going to copy this one, rotate it this way, alright, bring it down, bring it this way, like that. Okay, and so you can see the roll bar shape. And then one last time, we're gonna leave it like this. We're gonna build out the foot, and then we're gonna focus on the little toes. So, okay, so let's go to top view. This is properly lined up, so it's not too bad. Okay, all right, let's add everything together and do a 60. For the resolution, and then voxel merge. Sweet. All right, smooth things out. This is not all. Oh, okay, that's fine. All right. I know it looks weird, but remember, like that, like this. Go back. Okay, that's good. Okay, it is. Okay, our symmetry is X, so it's taking care of this side over here. All right. Let's decrease the intensity and decrease the radius. That will help us. Okay. Angle's fine. Okay, that is good. Nice. Okay. Right around here, I think. Yeah. There we are. Decrease the radius. Increase the radius here. It's a better foot, but this is a little too big. Okay, so all right, it's not terrible let's continue. All right, now for the foot on the top view, that is thick. So yeah, let's move this out, increase the intensity, and make this smaller here. So let's drag. Right, and then top view like that. For the top view like this. We gotta get rid of symmetry here. Okay. Joggers. All right. All right. So this way, increase the. Increase the radius here. And expand this out right here. Top. It's fine if it looks a little wonky, don't worry about that. Right, then this like that. That's a better foot shape. Okay, and then, oh, that does look way, way better. All right. Flat foot. All right. That looks way more proportional. Right. Let's go to top view. Okay, we got our side here. We get our side here. Yeah, masking is good for that. And our side right here, just like right over here. So let's see. And this. Clear that up. Clear. And add, move right here. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's go to left. Let's do symmetry right here. We do the movement this way. Okay. Let's add our toes. So, again, like we did with our fingers, box. Let's go to the left, bring it down like that. Let's go to top view. Let's bring it down even more. It's okay if it overlaps here and goes out a little bit. So that's a little toe. They all should be generally around the same size. Just look up like what do you call feet pictures, but just be careful what you search online. Remember, use references wherever you can. You're learning, it's all right. Ooh. Oh, all right. Sorry, I had to crack my neck. All right. There we are. All right. So. So it should be about this big, a little bigger like that. we're not going for perfect toes, so don't worry too much about it. And I apologize to others for that. Let's see. Then let's duplicate this. Your toes should be kind of lined up in like an upward scale, so like this. Okay, let's hide that for a second. Okay. Sorry, my pen is having fun there. All right, that's fine, like that. Then we're gonna add another toe, bring it like this up, and then another toe. Oh no, there's only 4 toes. Okay, I guess we'll make it these a little smaller. Right, let's delete all the other ones and redo this. Remember, we can adjust, so don't worry too much. Then duplicate again. Yeah, that's about right. Let's make these a little smaller like that. They shouldn't be that too far apart, to be honest. All right, and then lastly, this one, my last one, it should be a little thicker like that, and bring it to the side. And yeah, this should be the biggest. Yeah, don't bring it to the side yet. All right. Hopefully we can do our thing without all this merging too much. Slightly down. All right. We get our toes done. All right. Let's bring this all together again. Remember, it's all about breaking down the anatomy and then bringing back parts and then doing a little bit of magic with joining, smoothing, and just keep going like that. All right. Voxel merge, we're gonna do a 60. We're keeping a 60, so we can work from simple to complex, and it's a lot easier to fix those kinds of issues like that. Ooh, oh, what happened to my little toe? No. All right, let's bring it back. I forgot. Okay, there we are. Oh, so heartbroken for a second. All right, smooth things out. Let's make this one smaller. Oh, there's another toe. That explains why. Okay. All right, there we are. Now we can voxel merge. SD, enter, voxel merge. All right, there we have it. This isn't too bad at all. So let's smooth things out. Decrease the radius, decrease the intensity, because we're trying to break up this web feet. See, try to join. All right, there we are. We've fixed the webbing right there. All right, increase the radius, keep on with your little toes. All right. I'm trying to give them that cube rounded shape instead of the. All right, let's make this fat toe a little bigger. There we are. Yeah, we got a big fat toe. Nice. Smooth things out a little more. Oh, looks like a little stub. Pinky. All right. Okay, bring it back down. Okay, not bad. Let's do a little more round in here. And then sweet. All right, now let's go back to the foot, and we can notice we need to add some clay here. So right around here, there's some mass. So because your foot has like those veins or that muscle here that connects the big toe. So remember that. I think there's like a large vein like right up here, and then here as well. And we got that side piece right here, and some callus if you use your feet or walk, and same thing on this side, which is mainly right around here. All right, and that looks like a pretty good foot overall. Let's add some right here. We do have this indentation, so let's increase the radius. Oh, decrease the radius here. Yeah, it's nice and smooth right here. All right. Oh, let's decrease the radius. Radius is fine, and then smooth things out. Okay. Now you have somewhat of a simplified human foot, and it's anatomically somewhat correct. Remember, you're learning. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm making plenty of mistakes here. I'm sure other modelers are like, this guy doesn't know foots at all. All right, sweet. So you got a nice leg. In the next video, we'll continue. And I think we'll do a leg. Yeah, remember, like, we got one foot, so we can just, what is it called? Clone it? Or, yeah, clone it. And we won't have to do, like, a lot of other work. All right, so we got this. No. Sorry, I forgot. It's got a big fat toe, so it's a little elevated. Yes. All right, there we are. Now it's perfect. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna say that a lot. All right. Thank you for listening. I hope this helped.